it's Epic Dancer here, and today we're gonna be seeing, because I got a new Outlaw car. See right there. Hot Wheels. We're gonna see if it goes faster than the other one, and then we go get it. Wow, 1 second, really quick. You. So car got very fast. This car very this time that way. You guys can see it. It's not this one. Hey guys, I'm gonna do one more race. This if you guys were noticing the new track, it's because I don't want to use my track. It's this one again. A winner a bunch of times. Next one. I'm ready to buy these at Publix for $1. Not Green Light, Publix. Just you guys out there do that with my mom. Oh, this one got there first. This one got there first. So that was it, guys, for today. And Epic Dancer out.